Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Xumo box which is stuck in Spanish language and change your system language to English. Fix 1. You can do your system interface language reset. Press the home button on your Xumo remote control. Use the directional pad to select the gear icon labeled as configuration at your settings. Scroll down to choose the administration del sistema. This is your system management. Click on region idioma, that's your region and language. Select idioma del sistema, which is your system language. Choose English US from the language selections list. Fix 2. Blind navigation button sequence. Press the home button on your remote to return to the main interface hub. Press down the arrow key to navigate to the configuration, that's a settings option. Press down the arrow key 4 times sequentially to highlight the device language options. Then press the OK button on your remote control to enter the menu. Press down the arrow key 3 times to automatically target the system interface layout column. Press OK, then highlight English at the very top of the list and press OK again to confirm. Fix 3. Viewing your preferences content modification. Press the home button on your Xumo remote to open the main menu panel. Scroll down to select settings, then select viewing preferences. Click on preferred closed captions language. Change the selection back to English to stop Spanish text over the screen. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also hit the subscribe button.